Welcome to another edition of Muffler Time on this 13 Camaro SS. I did a video yesterday of Flowmaster Outlaw bullet, which I've got this cheap bullet, which that's just the silver part didn't come with it. It's what I'm going to temporarily use to put this on the car. Because, again, right now it has long tube headers, S.T.K.R intake. It has no cats, no resonator. It's got connecting pipes, 3-inch pipes all the way back. 2 right behind the rear axles, rear end. Yesterday I tried the 240, 250 bucks for both of them, shipped. Flowmaster Outlaw bullet. It really, looking back at the video, even sitting here with it in the video, made little difference. So I didn't see justifying spending that much money on something that don't make a difference. So I had ordered these. The Outlaw had 3 ridges inside of it that I guess kept the air swirling, give it a little different tone, but it really didn't. It quietened it down a little bit is the only thing I could notice. This one has some, looks like spores, spikes. I don't know, but we're about to put them on temporarily, which they'll hold enough to sit here and rev it up and see what it sounds like in the garage. And then we'll do again, I'll pull these off and listen to what it is, just straight pipe. So I'll be back. So here we go with the $50 for both shipped Speedway motors bullet. Mufflers, cold start, So there's the video on those. I'm going to go back and watch the video, but I believe these cheap bullets actually sounded better than the Flowmaster Outlaw. But I'm going to go back and watch. So let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. I'm trying to do videos like this to help people. I want to get some SLPs. I don't know. I looked at those, and the SLP loudmouths are a cutaway shows that they're just an empty pipe. So might as well just do straight pipe. I want to have a good sound. I don't really want that straight pipe sound. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe.